Mountain of Process. This is the tutorial of how to code else and if statement. First, put hashtag include, and next, angle brackets and put IO stream. I means input, O means output, and second, int main and parentheses. And first, put curly braces. Just follow my do's and stay tuned like this. Just put that, and the data type I use is integers in keywords int, and the variable is average and semicolon, and and I put std means standard, and scope resolution, and put COT means the output or the display, and put just follow the symbols I put, and I put interior average here and semicolon. Don't forget the semicolon because semicolon is very important. And steady again, CIN means input, and look for the signs, I mean symbols, average like this, and semicolon. And we start from if parentheses, I put a average greater than 90. I put 90 in here, and curly braces to put output. If I write 90 above, the display will respond steady, and COUT or means output or the display. If I put 90 above, the text appear is that what I write in there like past. If I put 91 or above, and it else or not, if I put 90 below like 89, the word are different like this. Just follow my move. Standard, COUT, workout, or the output or display, and I write I think 90 below. I think it is average. Sorry for the delay because I think about what I write to this. Average grade and semicolon. Semicolon is very important, guys. Don't Okay, return 0. Later I put return 0 if it's fully executed or no bugs. I'll compile if it is have a bug or not. I'll compile to make sure it is have a bug. Compiling. Yes, take a moment. Oh, there's an error. I think there is a color braces is missing, so I analyze it and put it in the code I wrote. Oh, the close color braces I forgot because I accidentally erased it. Okay, compiling. And it's run. Success. The code I wrote is successful. Let's try it. 91. Yes. And 90, 90 above I wrote. Okay. It's okay. Because I put in the if is 90 greater than 90, so the word respond is 9 is pass. And if not, if I put 89 or 90 below, like 86, like this, or anything that 90 below, the word will pop us is average grade. And that's all for the codes. Thank you for watching, and thank you very much.